7.2 Direct proportion. Direct proportion can be used to carry out calculations like the one below. If 10 calculators cost 120 pounds, so we go to the store, we're going to buy a whole bunch of calculators, we happen to buy 10, and we spend 120 pounds. And we want to figure out, well, how much is one calculator? It's 120 pounds for 10 of them, so 120 pounds divided by 10 will give us a price of 12 pounds for one single calculator. So the unit price for a calculator is 12 pounds. Once we know how much one calculator costs, then we can figure out however many number we want to purchase, what that total is going to be. If we then decided, oh wait, I only need 8 calculators for my collection, then we can take 8 calculators and multiply that by the cost of one single calculator, and we would come up with a total of 96 pounds when we went to buy 8 calculators. So let's do an example with direct proportion. Example 1. If 6 copies of a book cost 9 pounds, calculate the cost of 8 books. So what we're going to do is find out the unit cost first. Okay, so one set of 9 books is 9 pounds. So it's 9 pounds for 6 books. We're going to divide 9, the total, by 6. 6 goes into 9 once. 6 times 1 is 6. 9 minus 6, that gives us 3. Okay, so now we're going to carry a 0 here. 6 goes into 35 times exactly, because 6 times 5 is 30, and we have no remainder. So that means that for a total cost of 9 pounds for 6 books, each book costs 1.5 pounds. Okay, so the unit price for a book is 1.5 pounds. Now we want to purchase 8 books, not just 6. We want to buy 8. So if it's 1.5 pounds per book, we can multiply that by 8 books to find out what our total will be. And 1.5 times 8 is 12. So the total that we would spend would be 12 pounds to purchase 8 of these books. Example 2. If 25 floppy disks cost £5.50, calculate the cost of 11 floppy disks. Okay, so we're going to use the same strategy. We want to find out what's the cost of one single floppy disk. Okay, so $5.50, that's how much 25 floppy disks cost. Okay, so we're going to divide $5.50 by 25. The easy way, using a calculator, and we come up with 0.22. So that's 22p, or 0.22 pounds for one floppy disk, which is quite inexpensive. And so now if we want to figure out, well, how much is the total for 11 floppy disks, we're going to take the price of one floppy disk. Okay, so that's 22p, or 0.22 pounds, and multiply it by however many we want. That's 11. And so we're going to do 0.22 times 11 on our calculator and come up with 2 pounds 42. So if we were to buy 11 floppy disks, our total would be 242.